So in this program, we will implement the idea of conversion between basic types. Okay. So to start with, let us create a float variable f is equal to suppose 10.6765. Okay. And let us define an integer variable I. Then I is equal to f. So this is implicit type conversion. And now let us try to print the value of I. I is equal to I. Okay. So what will happen? I is equal to 10. Whenever we try to convert a float value to an integer value, the part of the float value after the decimal point is truncated. Okay, so therefore 0.65 has been removed and 10 has been assigned to variable I. Okay, uh, and now let us take another float variable, float f2, and f2 is equal to I. Okay, so now we are converting the value of integer to float. The value of I is 10. And what will be the value of float? Let us try to print f2 is equal to f2 EDL. So the value of f2 is also 10. Okay, so now let us take a character. Suppose char C, where C is equal to I. Okay, what is the value of I? I is 10. Okay, and now we are assigning that value to C. Now C is equal to okay. So C is not showing us anything because actually what happens when we convert an integer to a character, the corresponding ASCII values are assigned to the character, and I think the values from 0 to 10, they are some special control characters. Okay, they are not any symbols. So instead of I equal to 10, let us take some other value of I. Let us suppose I is equal to 97. Okay, and now let us see what will happen. The value of 97 in ASCII codes is small a. Therefore, C is it is giving us C is equal to A. Okay, and let us take another character char D, and I is char D equal to some value. Let us take some value is equal to A. Okay, and I is equal to D. C out. Okay, so you might have guessed the output. The output is 65. Why? Because D is equal to capital A, and whenever we convert a character to an integer, the ASCII code of that character is assigned to the integer. So the ASCII code for capital A is 65. Therefore, I is equal to 65. Okay, and all these conversions which I have done here, they are the implicit type conversions. Whether you are using implicit type conversion or explicit type conversion, the routine that will be called for conversion is same. Okay, so for explicit type conversion, let us take one example. Let us try to convert this f2 equal to I statement to explicit type conversion. For that, we will use static underscore cast, and in the angle brackets we will write float, because we want to convert it into float, and this I value has to be taken in parenthesis. Okay, and let's run it, and answer is same. Okay, so this is the conversions, these are the conversions between the basic types.